lights on and it dies, huh? Oh, power loss. Look at that, no power. Wow. Okay, so we knew it had an electrical issue, or at least we were told. And there it was, I put the lights on. And now we've no ignition whatsoever. Look at that. No neutral. Dead. So, what's gone wrong? What's broken? If you think you know, leave a comment in the comment section. Absolutely dead. Brand new battery. And it happened when I turned the headlight on. Cold. So that's the CDI module. Don't know what this is. It says Hitachi on it. I was looking for fuses. Why it would blow a fuse, can't we? So yeah, where's the main fuse for the bike? Multimeter. The battery can't be a problem, can it? It's new. Okay, battery's okay. So I'm just going to follow the wiring, see where the fuses are, but more importantly, I need to figure out why the power got cut when all I did was turn on the headlight. So where are the fuses? Positive goes. Wow, bit of investigative poking. Find out where all the... It's quite a simple motorcycle, so I would have thought that there would be an easy to get to fuse box, but not instantly finding it. So whilst looking for the fuses, it seems that I identified the CDI module and didn't read the word fuse. Hey, hello you lot. What you doing? Let's test you. Okay, continuity testing. See what we got. Continuity, 30 amp. We got you. 10 amp. We got you. 15. Yo, 30. Yeah. 10. We got you. Oh, all the fuses are okay. Why do we have no power? The plot thickens. Because at 29,955 and half a mile, now the ignition's working again. And it only cut when I put the high beam on, which now wants to work. How strange is that? We have a mystery electrical fault. So these all checked out fine, hadn't touched them. Just came back to the bike 5 minutes later, thought I'd try it, and we have ignition. What irks me is that it's a runner when it wants to run. And although it's a little fluffy at the moment, because it hasn't been running years, the more I start it up and the more I run it, the crisper it gets. But where's our mystery electrical fault? Wow. The mystery deepens. And here is the problem. Oh God. Oh. Full of regret now. Wishing I hadn't closed this cap. Oh man. Shoot. Whoopsie. Well, I'm hoping this helps me. I knew I shouldn't have closed that cap. I knew it. I just wanted to show you what was in here, but clearly I've made a huge error in closing the cap. God. Oh no. Let me fight this one. I was full of regret. I'm not shutting that again. Witness the full horror. Oh, it's not good in there, is it? If I shake the tank, everything's rattling around in there. So really I've worked on the underside of the tank, but maybe I should have worked on the interior of the tank. There's no way I'm putting petrol in there and then expecting the fuel filter to deal with all of that. That's for another video though, but I just wanted to show you the full horror of what I got. Big thank you to Bulldog BDX. Yeah, quite a project.